Assalamu alaikum. Hi, grade 3. How are you today, girls? Today, inshallah, we will finish the hearing sense and we will talk about Morse code. But before this, we wanted to revise on the last lessons. We talked about the structure of the outer ear. This is called ear flap, ear canal, and ear loop. Sounds can warn us of danger and it can make us happy or sad, and we hear with our ears. I can hear with my ear. After that, we talked about how can we hear. The vibrations like this, vibrations of sound move through the air into our ears. Then our ears send a message to the brain and the brain started to work out what the sound is. After that, we talked about the elephant and hare. They are animals that have big ears. Why? To help them hear better. And we can make our ears big by two ways. Number one, cupping our hands behind our ears so our ears will be big so we can hear better. The other way to make a hearing trumpet or funnel of cord, if the hearing trumpet is big so we can hear better. So picture B now is hearing better than A because she has larger hearing trumpet. Today, inshallah, we'll talk about Morse code. Okay, if you want to tell your mother or to tell your friend, your sister, something secret. What is the meaning of secret? Something that you don't want anyone to know about it. If you wanted to tell your mother something but you don't want your sister to know about it, what will you do? You will talk quietly. You will speak slowly, quietly. You will whisper in your mother's ear. Why? To tell your mother a secret. Also, Morse code is a way to send a message. If you wanted to send a message to anyone in secret form, but you will not talk here quietly or slowly, no. You wanted to send a message, for example, from country to another country. If you wanted to send a message from place to another place in secret form, what will you use? We use different length of sound or we use Morse code. What is the meaning of different length of sounds? This what will we take now. Dash shows the long sound. Dot shows the short sound. What is the meaning of this? Here we have the alphabetical letters from A to Z. Now each letter have sounds. This is dot, called dot, dash, dash, dot, dot, dot. The sound of dot, you can make it using your knuckles. This is called what? Knuckles. Can you see the knuckles of fingers? This is called what? Knuckles. If you wanted to make it, you'll use the knuckles of your fingers like this. This is the sound of what? Of dot. Or you can use the tip of finger like this hand here. You can use the tips, the tops or tips of your fingers like this. If you wanted to do like this. This is the sound of dot, dot. Okay? Like this, tips of fingers or knuckles, knuckles of fingers. Okay. If you wanted to make the sound of dash, how can you do it? Using the palm of the hand. This is called what, you remember? This is called palm. If I wanted to do the sound of palm, of dash, I will do like this. And this is dot, dash, dot, dash, dot, dash, dot, like this. Dot, dash, dash, dot, dash, dot. So dot for short sound. If you wanted to make short sound, you will use your tips of fingers or knuckles of fingers like this. But if you wanted to make the dash sound, long sound, you will use palm of your hand like this. This is what? Dash, and this is dot, or this dot. Okay, girls. So here, these the sounds that you can use for each letter. For example, if you want to to make a sentence or anything, like for example cat. I will write here cat. Okay, I will write cat. Okay, Morse code for letter C. Let's see it. Can you see here? Letter C. Dash dot dash dot. Let's write it here. Dash dot dash dot. This is for letter C. And for letter A, can you see it? Dot dash. For letter A, dot dash. So we write it here, dot dash. And for letter T, where is letter T here? Can you see? It's only dash. So if we want to send message in a secret form, and this message is cat, for example, and we want to say cat in a secret form, we don't want anyone to know about this message, so we will use sound for this word, like this here, dash. So I will knock with my palm of hand like this. Okay, okay, now I do what? I do all the word dash dot dash dot dot dash dash. When I hear this, I know that this is what? Cat. Morse code wants you to practice more and more and more, so just I want you to know about it, to know the meaning of Morse code, and try to write any secret message for me. Please send me a message in a secret form using Morse code, and watch the videos on Classera to understand Morse code more. Thank you, grade 3. If you can't understand any point, please send me a message. Bye bye.